Welcome back to Koru Health AI, where real science meets everyday wellness. Today, we're uncovering one of the most overlooked issues in personal care, the hidden science behind strong, healthy nails. In today's breakdown, we'll explore the real-world science behind nail and foot health and what helps protect them naturally. Many people experience the frustration of foot fungus. It is a common problem that affects the skin. It affects the nails. You might notice itching. You might even notice discolored nails and peeling of the skin. Sometimes your nails can become thick, yellow, and brittle. This condition is not just a cosmetic issue. It can cause discomfort and sometimes pain. This guide is for anyone who wants to understand this problem better. We'll explore simple ways to manage it, natural and science-backed. My goal is to provide clear, trustworthy information so you can regain control over your foot health. This guide will help you feel empowered, not overwhelmed. We'll break down why foot fungus happens, how it grows, and why it can be so persistent. Fungi are microscopic organisms, like tiny plants, part of a family that includes mushrooms and mold. These organisms are everywhere in our environment. Some fungi, called dermatophytes, feed on keratin, the protein that makes up your skin, hair, and nails. When these fungi land on your feet, they thrive in warm, dark, moist places, exactly what closed shoes create. Public places like gym locker rooms, swimming pools, and communal showers are common sources. Walking barefoot in these areas can easily transfer spores to your feet. A surface infection, like athlete's foot, affects the top layers of your skin, often redness, scaling, or cracking between the toes, and is usually easier to treat. A common condition known as onychomycosis, a fungal infection that affects the toenails. This is more challenging. The fungus gets under the nail plate and into the nail bed, protected by the hard nail. This makes it difficult for topicals to reach the source. The fungus invades the nail structure, digests keratin, and causes thickening, discoloration, crumbling, and even lifting from the nail bed, where debris and more fungus can collect. One reason foot fungus is stubborn is spores, tiny, dormant seeds that can survive for months or years in your shoes, socks, and on household surfaces. Even after treating an active infection, re-exposure can restart the problem. The cycle of reinfection is a major challenge. The nail plate is dense keratin, an effective shield for the fungus beneath it, so topicals struggle to reach the infection. Because the nail surface acts like a shield, it is difficult for most treatments to reach the fungus underneath. That's why some people turn to Care Essentials, a natural oil blend formulated to reach the nail bed and surrounding skin. Its ingredients like tea tree, clove, lemongrass, and aloe help cleanse, protect, and support the natural look of nails. Used consistently, Care Essentials helps to maintain a clean, balanced environment where fungus struggles to thrive. Fungi thrives in slightly acidic to neutral environments. Excess sweat can alter skin pH, and the fungus can shift local pH too, so restoring healthy pH can help prevent recurrence. Your immune system is critical. Stress, poor nutrition, lack of sleep, and underlying conditions can weaken defenses, making it harder to control fungal growth. A recurring infection may signal that your defenses need support. Strengthening immunity is a key long-term strategy. Strategy 1. The foundation of foot hygiene. Excellent foot hygiene is the first line of defense. Wash daily with a mild soap and warm water. Pay special attention between your toes. After washing, dry your feet completely. Use a clean towel and get between each toe. Lingering moisture invites fungal growth. This simple daily ritual is non-negotiable. If you have sweaty feet, take extra precautions. Choose moisture-wicking socks, wool, bamboo, or athletic synthetic blends. Avoid 100% cotton. Change damp socks during the day. Consider antifungal powder each morning. The shoes you wear make a huge difference. Fungi love dark, warm interiors. Wear breathable shoes or sandals, rotate pairs, and let shoes dry at least 24 hours in a well-ventilated area, or use a shoe dryer. Taking your shoes off the moment you get home helps air out your feet. Keep toenails trimmed short and straight across. Use clean, disinfected tools, ideally a separate set just for toenails, especially with an active infection. Avoid cutting cuticles. If you get pedicures, ensure proper sterilization or bring your own tools. Several natural oils have long been studied for their antifungal and restorative properties. Among today's advanced blends, Pro Nail Complex stands out, combining tea tree oil, clove bud oil, aloe vera, and vitamin E to help protect against fungus, soothe irritation, and deeply nourish brittle nails. Think of it as science, working in harmony with nature. How to use it? Clean, dry feet. Apply a thin layer to affected nails and surrounding skin morning and night. Consistency matters. Improvements appear only as new nail slowly grows. Always dilute stronger essential oils. Start with a low concentration and increase gradually if tolerated. Perform a 24-hour patch test before wider use to minimize irritation risks. Before application, trim nails straight, gently file the surface, and clear debris. This improves treatment contact and keeps the area clean and less welcoming to fungus. Optional step: a 15-20 minute lukewarm vinegar soak. 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water. Dry thoroughly afterward. Lingering moisture invites recurrence. Skip if any irritation appears. Stop and seek professional advice for worsening redness, swelling, burning, or pain. Anyone with diabetes or poor circulation should consult a clinician before home treatments. Expect gradual progress. Pair daily applications with breathable footwear, frequent sock changes, and thorough shoe drying. Replace old socks and sanitize shoes to reduce reinfection over time. What you eat directly impacts your body's ability to fight infections, so pay attention. Diets high in sugar and refined carbs can feed yeast and fungi. Choose whole foods, fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Vitamins A, C, E, and zinc support immunity. Eat a rainbow for antioxidants. A balanced gut links to a strong immune system. Increase probiotics with fermented foods, or consider a quality supplement with lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Manage stress and get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Chronic stress raises cortisol and can suppress immunity. Your skin is your first line of defense. Keep feet moisturized and healthy, but avoid applying moisturizer between the toes. Maintaining a strong skin barrier makes it harder for fungus to gain a foothold. Myth: only unclean people get foot fungus. Fact: false. Fungi are everywhere, and anyone can pick them up in public, moist environments like pools and gyms. It's a medical condition, not a character flaw. Myth: bleach will kill nail fungus. Do not put bleach on skin or nails. It's corrosive, can cause burns, tissue damage, and secondary infections, and fungus often lives under the nail. It's dangerous and ineffective. Myth: if the fungus is gone, you can stop treatment. Symptoms may fade while spores remain. Continue as directed. Nail fungus often requires treatment until the damaged nail grows out, which can take up to a year. Myth: you can just cover the nail with polish. Standard polish traps moisture and blocks air, creating ideal conditions for fungus. Let nails breathe. If needed, use medicated or breathable formulas sparingly. Blaming yourself is unproductive. Focus on proactive preventive measures that are safe and effective for the body. Creating a consistent daily routine is the most effective way to combat foot fungus. Here is a simple 10-minute plan. After your shower, dry thoroughly and use a hairdryer on a cool setting between toes. Let treatments absorb for a minute. Apply your chosen antifungal, prescription cream, or a formulated mist spray that supports healthy toenails. Put on clean, moisture-wicking socks and, if you like, add antifungal powder to shoes. In the evening, take off shoes and socks to air out. This is a great time for a vinegar foot soak for 15 minutes, or skip if you're short on time. Wash your feet or wipe with a damp cloth and dry meticulously. Before bed, apply antifungal treatment again. Allow it to soak in before walking around barefoot, or wear clean cotton socks to sleep. This routine reinforces a clean, dry environment and ensures consistent treatment, vital for success. If you've tried these strategies for a few months with no improvement, see a doctor or podiatrist, especially if you have diabetes, poor circulation, or a weakened immune system. Worsening pain, redness, swelling, or pus needs immediate care. A doctor can confirm the diagnosis and may recommend oral antifungals or prescription topicals. Fighting foot fungus can feel like a long, lonely battle, but you're not alone. Millions face this common challenge. The journey is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, consistency, and a multifaceted approach by creating an environment where fungus can't survive. Drying feet, choosing breathable shoes, and applying treatments, you address the root cause. Build healthy habits, from diet to daily foot care, and celebrate small victories, like reduced itching or a clearer nail base. Toenails grow slowly. Full replacement can take 12 to 18 months. Arm yourself with trusted resources like the American Academy of Dermatology and the Podiatry Association of Canada. Remember, you are in control. The path is hopeful. With persistence, you can restore healthy-looking feet, walk the beach barefoot, and wear sandals with confidence. Be patient and consistent. If you'd like to explore reliable tools and resources to support healthy nails and feet, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching with Koru Health AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.